What you should know about buying gold. Gold has a long past of becoming a prized metal. Many people have enjoyed gold since its discovery many thousands of years back. If you would like start trading in gold, the tips below will allow you to. Only take a respected company when selling gold. Use both internet reviews and BBB complaints and knowledge to discern someone's reputation. Good customer support and fair market prices are good indicators of reputable buyers. This extra step makes certain that you happen to be covered and paid appropriately. Locate a gold buyer that includes a good reputation. You will notice how various dealers handle customer complaints by viewing online reviews and contacting the BBB, Better Business Bureau. You will have a better potential for getting the highest possible price for your gold if you obtain bids from several different gold buyers. Why not earn money selling your gold to online buyers? Gold dealing doesn't require physical stores anymore. It is possible to employ a website to sell gold items. The web page sends that you simply prepaid mailer to set the gold pieces in. If the transaction goes smoothly, they'll give you a quote and you may either accept or decline the offer. Understand the current price per ounce of gold before selling your pieces. Doing this, it is possible to ascertain in case a dealer is supplying you with a good price or otherwise not for your personal pieces. Nearly all dealers can provide market price to your gold, but some know that sellers simply want to convert their goods into cash quickly, plus they take advantage of the buyers. Learn what the terms are before mailing off your old, broken jewelry. Be sure you understand when you should expect payment and the way to insure your items. Lastly, make a note of and also photograph anything you send for this company in the event you have got a disagreement. In order to start investing in gold but don't have much cash to start, think about buying scrap. Invest small quantities of profit scrap gold. After several months, you will possess accrued a substantial store of gold. Stash your gold in the place which is safe to be able to cash it in later. Think about fair return guarantee as an absolute necessity when you're purchasing gold jewelry, specifically if you intend to generate a gift from it. It's not unusual for a lot of pieces not to function as the receiver's taste or maybe the wrong size. In the event that should occur, it is crucial you can return the piece for the full refund. When you are unclear of the need for your gold jewelry, you may want to get it appraised. Even though it is an extra expense, it can be definitely worth the investment. Utilize a licensed appraiser only. Remember, should you sell, you simply will not obtain the full expense of the appraisal. Take your old gold that you would like to offer to a variety of gold buying companies before settling using one. While the market quotes a cost, not all the companies actually pay in close proximity to that price. Local stores that don't have outrageous overhead could possibly pay you more to your gold. Should you send off gold by mail, find out how much it is to get it returned to you in case the offer isn't that great. Some companies gives you free freight directly to them but charge a fee an arm plus a leg for return postage. You wish to understand what those charges might wind up being before you send them your gold. Gold money will be helpful when choosing gold. Think of it as a banking account that deals exclusively in gold. You may have started a merchant account, and you've bought gold in a particular price. The gold will physically sit from the bank where you could cash it, portion it, or in some circumstances, you are able to redeem it for gold bullion bars that weigh a kilo. Understand what you may have. Most of the time, gold isn't seriously worth what it really seems like it's worth. Often, you will find other metals next to the gold so that you can strengthen the piece. This could create the price a great deal lower. So, too, can items that are simply just gold-plated. When you don't really know what you've got, get it appraised ahead of selling it. Prior to deciding on a gold buyer, comparison shop. You could be shocked to discover how different the offers are. In the event you don't check around, you might not get what you really are owed. Remember to obtain the most cash you can to your pieces. Read and understand the small print inside a sales contract. You need to know what you're engaging in if you're employing a mail-in purchasing company to sell gold. This helps you see just how much pays toward commissions and fees. Separate your gold into groups according to carat values. When you begin weighing gold during the time of sale, vendors might try to weigh all of the pieces at once and claim each will fit into the low weight. This can lead to you receiving less cash. Instead, go in using the piles pre-separated so that you'll obtain the most for your gold. If you are on the market to sell your gold, first move to make is separate each piece within their different values of carats. Since a piece's value may differ considerably based upon its carat value, weighing and selling it all in one batch could lead to you missing some potential profits. Gold having a higher carat value may be worth more. Make goals before making investments in gold. Gold might be volatile, yet it is great if you are seeking to balance your portfolio through rough economic times. When you limit your risk and also have set goals, you are more likely to profit. Now you understand the absolute worth of pure gold and why it's treasured by a lot of people. Not only is gold a beautiful metal to wear, but it's a wise investment. Start using these tips to invest in a gold collection today.
GVMG, Global Viral Marketing Group. Thank you for watching to the end. One-time secret offer. Free web marketing tools giveaway and more. For more details, please click the URL below.